Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to code a Discord bot. This is episode 1. First, you're going to want to download Visual Studio Code, and then you'll click this right here, and it should start download automatically. And then you're also going to want to download Node.js, and then you're going to want to do the latest, the LTS, which is recommended for most users. So I'll send links in the description so you guys can download these. Otherwise, when they're downloaded, you're going to want to open up your downloads folder, and then you're going to want to run them. Follow the on-screen instructions, and then should be finished. When you finish that part, you are now ready to start working on the bot. So first, we're going to need to open up Visual Studio Code. So let's get that running. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create a folder. So I'm just going to create this in the documents folder because that's the most simple. So I'm going to name this test bot. What I'm going to do now is drag the folder into Visual Studio Code, and it should be all set up now. We can close the welcome tab. Now, what we're going to need to do is go up to terminal and then new terminal. I like to do clear to clear out that message. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type node or npm init. What this does is it creates a node packet manager inside the bot because the bot uses node packet or node packet nodes. So you're going to want to choose the name, click enter, version, description, entry point, test command, get repository, keywords, author, license. You can pretty much just click enter through all of this and then it'll be okay. Next, what you're going to want to do after this part is do npm I discord.js. You're going to want to wait for it to install. You're going to notice it's going to create a node modules and package-lock.json and a package.json. Or no, package.json came from the other folder. Now what we're going to want to do is do npm install discord.js-commando. Wait for that to install. Now that's all set up. We can close the terminal, or you can leave it open, whatever you want to do. And we can create a file called index.js. Now that this is set up, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to close this, and we're going to want to open up your browser. And in order to get the bot going, we're going to want to go into Discord and do Discord developer portal. And click on the official Discord link. I already have a bot created, so I'm just going to use this for an example. So you're going to create a bot, give it a name, and then when that's done, you can start copying this part. Next, what you're going to want to do is go into bot, and then you're going to want to go into O2 auth. You're going to want to click bot, and then you're going to want to click copy. And then when that's copied, you can put in the link, and then you can put into your server. So I'm just going to use the test server, authorize, and then complete the I am a human. You can close this once you're done. In order to get to this page, it might ask, do you want to create a bot? Since I already have this created, it didn't ask me, but for you, it might say, do you want to create a bot? And click create bot. Next, you're going to want to go into your server, and then you should see that the bot was invited. Now, let's start putting in some code. What we're going to want to do first is we're going to want to import the libraries we just installed. So we're going to do const, and then we're going to do curly brackets, commando client, space, and then we're going to want to do equal require, and then we're also going to want to do the discord.js-commando, and then make sure to end that with a this thing. Next, what you're going to want to do is do const discord equal require quotes discord.js, and this imports to the discord.js and libraries. So when we do that, we're going to create a new file code called token.js. Token.js. So pretty much when you are trying to turn on a bot, you can either do the bot.login, and then you can, oops, misspelled that. And then you can put in your token here. But if you want to eventually make this bot public and put it on GitHub, for example, it would be easier if you have it in a separate file so you can exclude it. So for this, we're just going to create a new file. So now that we've created the token.js, you're going to want to add a new line and call this const token. Actually, I'm just going to lowercase that, equal require, and then dot slash token.js. Next, what we're going to want to do is go in here, and then we're going to want to do const token equal, and then square brackets. And then what you're going to want to do after that is put key equals, and then when that's done, you're going to go back into your Discord developer portal. You're going to want to go to bot, and you're going to want to click copy token. Again, if you didn't already create the bot, it might say, do you want to create the bot? And click yes. Click copy. And then you just put it in here. Make sure to keep your token secure and safe, and don't let anybody see it, because then people can start using your bot and put malicious code into it. And if you want to keep the bot private, I would recommend turning off public bot. Once this is done, we're going to want to go back into our main index.js. Alright, so now you're going to want to create a new line, and what we're going to do is do const bot equal new commando client, and then we're just going to put some curly brackets, and then bam. Now what we can do is do bot.login this, and then we can put key, and then we can do that. Now we should be able to type node space dot, and then hit enter, and the bot should now be online. Let's check. And the bot's online. That concludes episode 1 on how to code a Discord bot, and if you liked it and enjoyed, consider giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments if you want to see part 2. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.